In a fascinating new interview, Dr. Michael Greger shared the 2 vegetables we should be cooking in order to greatly increase the bioavailability of some all-important nutrients, upwards of 4 times. The reason cooking some vegetables is so important is it helps disrupt and break down the complex matrix of plant cell walls, releasing the trapped nutrients so they can be absorbed into your bloodstream more efficiently. Heat also increases something called micelle formation in the gut, which is needed for fat-soluble nutrient absorption. So first, let's hear from Dr. Greger, and then we'll come back and look at some really important research, one of which I had never heard about, and may change the way you cook one particular vegetable forever.
When you cook carrots and tomatoes, you actually improve the bioavailability of those carotenoid phytonutrients. So I think you get, if I remember correctly, like 4 times as much beta-carotene in your bloodstream when you eat cooked carrots compared to the same amount of raw carrots. So you may have the same amount of food, but you have more of that nutrition in your bloodstream instead of just pooping it out because it's more bioavailable. And same thing with tomatoes. Cooked tomato products like tomato paste. Now, a lot of tomato products are terrible, like a lot of jarred tomato sauces and stuff have sugar, have salt added, blah, blah, blah. But something like tomato paste or stewed tomatoes or something with no added salt or anything, super healthy. And those processed, those heated canned tomato products or jarred tomato products, more bioavailability, the lycopene, more lycopene in your blood. And it's not going to do you any good it can do your colon lining good if it makes all the way there. But the rest of your body is on its own without the lycopene, that wonderful red pigment in tomatoes. So, for example, been lycopene consumption associated with lower prostate cancer risk. The only way it's going to get into your prostate is if it actually makes it in your bloodstream. And so instead of eating raw tomatoes, if we cook tomatoes, then we get more of it. Now, am I saying don't eat raw tomatoes? Of course not. But, there's for those kind of raw foodist types out there who are like, don't cook, it's bad, it destroys things, whatever. But you realize that many times you actually get more nutrition in cooked foods than raw. Carrots, tomatoes are a perfect idea.
This study found that microwaving carrots significantly increased the total carotenoid bioaccessible content. In fact, it was 6 times higher compared with minimal cooking. In this study, although cooking tomatoes reduced their vitamin C content by 29%, their lycopene content increased by more than 50%, with between 15 to 30 minutes of cooking. But it was this intriguing bit of research that caught my eye, where researchers found that you should cook carrots whole before slicing, as it stops nutrients from escaping into the cooking water. There was also the mention of cooking carrots with the skins on, which could more than double their antioxidant power. But are there any other vegetables that are healthier cooked than raw? Well, yes, and we'll look at that next. To view that video, you can click the middle of the screen now, but it will also be pinned to the top of the comments below.